Hey everybody, it's Larry from Fayetteville, Arkansas, BioGreen Solutions. We're back. I got to show you how we're going to change a transformer on this machine. This is one of our older machines. It's got probably 400 hours on it. We've got a burnout transformer. I want to show you how easy it is to maintain these machines. This is our new design over here. We've cleaned it up a little bit. We've lined up the transformers in order. These are so much easier to work on. So what you're going to need to do this, you're going to need a pair of wires, strippers, you're going to need a pair of dikes, you're going to need a transformer, you're going to need some butt splices. These are 16 by 14s, and you're going to need a screw gun. And we're going to just back these off. Now you have to understand that this is a piece of electronic equipment, and they're gonna need maintenance. We've been burning out a few transformers here, and it's just like if you had a lawn service business and you got a big expensive lawnmower, you're going to want to change oil in it. These are no different. They do require some maintenance. And now you're going to need a 3/8 driver. We're just going to back this off a little bit. As I'm doing this, I kind of want to talk about our design here. We've been working on this now for about 8 or 9 months, and our competitor, Mr. Hey Folks, patent pending, he's been kind of watching our design. He's got so many different machines out there now, and he kind of watched what we were doing with the squirrel cage effect, and so now he's copying our design. But I don't know if he knows what he's doing or not. I'm not going to knock him, so he knows who we're talking about. Alright, now we're just going to clip these two wires because we know this is number 3 transformer right in the center here. So we're going to clip these wires back like that. We're going to take our positive and negative wires over here for electrical. Those 2 wires go to the plate, and we're going to snip these 2. And we're going to take our wire snips, and we're going to clean these up. Pretty easy job here. I think Sherry could probably do this once I go through it a couple of times. She's been kind of paying attention to what we do here, and I know she can handle it. You don't have to be a rocket scientist. These 35,000s are pretty dependable. We've had real good success with them. I did talk to our supplier, and he's of these. We're going to go back and snip these wires here. Make sure you don't snip them too short. If you do, then we got to go back and do it all over again. Like I said, this is probably going to take you less than 10 minutes to do this for one transformer. That's why we designed it this way, because they do burn out. We know that. And Sherry and I have been doing this quite a few. How long we've been in business? I think about 1.5 years now, and we've probably done pushing on 700 treatments right now. We got one after we get this done. We got to head out and go do another treatment at noon. But business is going well, and I know there's a new organization out there that we joined called the National Ozone Association, and Mark Tipton is the gentleman heading it up, and I can see nothing but good things coming out of that company. Mark's a pretty good boy. Alright, we're going to take our positive and negative. We're just going to stick one of these butt splices on there. And we'll connect it here. Get it in there. And we're going to crimp it. I should get some new crimpers. These are getting old. Make sure you get our wires in there. Got a good strong connection. Yeah, that's good. And we get our other one going here. I'm hoping everybody had a good New Year's, and looking forward to everybody being successful in this business in 2013. I've been talking to quite a few folks across the United States. And folks, I didn't mean to say folks. A lot of people across the United States, and they're doing real good, real good. All right, we're going to take those two, and I got these wires in here, and we're going to connect these. More of the butt splicers. I wanted to do this right from scratch. I could have pre-done, stripped all the wires, but I just wanted to show you just how short a time it takes to maintain these, to change these transformers out. So we're gonna do this in less than 10 minutes. I know that. If I can get this one to go in there. And I don't want to leave the wires too long. They recommend that the shorter the wire, the less distance you have for the electricity to disperse throughout the transformer. So we want to keep them as short as possible, but not too short where you can't connect it. And we're good on that one. And we'll take this little puppy here and get another butt splice on there. When we sell these machines, the transformers are guaranteed for 60 days. The blower itself is a 1-year warranty. And what we're doing, because transformers are sensitive, you have to understand it, we're sending an extra transformer with each machine. And after that, we'll be working out a price. Probably looking at right around $40 for a transformer. If I can get them in larger quantities, I'll try to lower the price. But as of now, it's looking like right around $40. But it's well worth it. I mean, like I said, there's going to be a little maintenance involved. Now, let's just test this out. I want to make sure that the transformer's working. Now, that was a pretty easy fix there. Let me throw these bolts back in here because we don't want transformers touching each other when they're fired up. Just get this little one in here. I mean, how easy is this? I think a 5th grader could do this. Yeah, we'll get our driver in here and mount this back on there. This is a 3/8 driver. And we'll tuck the wires down in, make sure everything's good. Let's test this out and make sure that we're firing on all 5 cylinders here. This was the one that was burned out right there. Yeah, she's lighting up like a Christmas.